On 4th of October, Richard Tokbi EM in charge education called for a press conference at his chamber to clarify the issues related to procrastination of paying wages to ad hoc teachers under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Through his press conference, he assured to remunerate all the pending wages to ad hoc teachers within the month of November. Richard Tokbi EM in charge education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council during his press conference informed that acknowledging the dedication, determination and hard work of venture schools teachers, Dr. Tuliram Ronghak, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had declared on 25 February 2022. During the budget speech to increment the monthly salary of venture school teachers from 5,000 to 6,000 to 17,000 per month. Therefore, during the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council budget session, the amount of 59 crores 51 lakhs 95,920 was allocated for education. To provide the salary on time, letter had been sent to the Joint Secretary Government of Assam Hills Area Department through the Principal Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the works is in process under the Finance Department.
25 February 2022. Halasud budget speech along si da technology itung alang tumafan akiduk kisum kamatha pen joksi alang tumafan ador mahapaba nangji tu kamunthi kamatha pen jok itung budget house along itung papas kong non ikidinang mo prabjit pen so ador maha atamka granin ed atamka nang lilutak de online pen alang tum account no thap.
The process is being delayed as it had to undergo systematically right from Finance Department to Chief Minister level. As soon as the budget of grant and aid is released to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, all the pending wages to ad hoc teachers would be remunerated within November. Richard Tokbi also informed not to misunderstand with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with just one false and untrue social media post. If there is any concern and issues related with the procrastination of paying wages, EM in charge education of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Education Secretary, Inspector of School are there to clarify with specific details. Richard Tokbi EM in charge education of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council conveyed his words of encouragement and motivations to all the ad hoc teachers and ad hoc school to not feel disheartened. He appeals to have passion and continue working in bringing quality education. He assured to remunerate all the pending wages.
System wise ni tumafan jong si lagrani ni da tangka la ko an makitu non finance long pencheng no Chief Minister level an lepo khala da pen leader te tangka ni tumafan da nang lepo within November ang bo ni tum la tumafan na salary tangka nang kili lutang te itum la tumafan bi people.
News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.